guys, I'm Jackson, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use MakerWorld's new tool, Chroma Canvas. So first, you're going to get on MakerWorld, and then from here, on the sidebar, you're going to click MakerLab. Now once you're here, you can either see it up here, or you can just scroll down and click on Chroma Canvas. Now from here, you're going to do New Project, and then first, you're going to import your image. I'm going to do this image of a horse. You're going to click Start. And now once your image has loaded into the software, this is going to be your screen. So then here over on the left side, you're first going to choose a palette. Like this one's gold, this one's a darker blue, and like personally this one's my favorite, but for this one I'm going to do this mono. And then you don't really need to adjust any of this stuff unless you really want to. It really does it all for you. And then once you like it, you click export. And then just like your printer, I have a P1S of a 0.4 nozzle size, and you click confirm. And it's going to be loading. And then once it finishes loading, you're going to be brought to this page, and from here you're just going to be click download, and your file's going to download, and it's going to be like canvas draft or whatever. And then once your file loads, you're going to double click it, and it should open Bambu Studio. Okay, so now once your thing loads, your thing is just going to look one color. But to actually see the colors, you're going to click Slice Plate. And then once it slices, you're going to be brought to this view, and then from here, you can see what it looks like. And if you want, you could change the colors, but I don't suggest to because I might mess it up. And then from here, you're going to go print it, and I'll see y'all when it's done. I think these turned out so cool, and they were so easy to make. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, Jackson out.
Everybody listen up, give us your attention.